This country was built by dedication. My grandfather was a machinist. His father before him was in manufacturing. Just by carrying on that manufacturing line, I feel very proud.
I have a huge opportunity to share my knowledge and my 24 years experience with Siemens. Trains are the future of transportation. They help eliminate the pollution, they help eliminate the traffic.
There is a huge untapped potential for rail growth in the United States.
If we expand heavy rail and light rail manufacturing and servicing across the United States, that means we can have better high-wage jobs here at all levels of an economic continuum. Folks who are working hard in rail shops. There's, of course, jobs in the engineering and the service and the design parts. Rail brings employment opportunities to the United States at all skill levels, and these are long-term jobs. They're why rail is a great investment for America's future.
I would describe the manufacturing worker of today as hard-driven. Someone that takes quality and dedication of putting out a good product.
Being able to see our work in the real world impacting everyday lives is really empowering.
I tell my children, if you see a Siemens product, hey, 9 times out of 10, your daddy had his hands on it. That's what America is about.